To check your transaction history on Epic Games, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Transactions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Transactions tab on the left side. Click on it to view transaction history. Step 4. Review your transactions. You will see a list of all your transactions, including purchases, refunds, and any other financial activities. You can scroll through the list to find specific transactions. Step 5. Download transaction history optional. If you need a record of your transactions, look for an option to download or export your transaction history. Follow the prompts to save the file to your device. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Epic Games. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for assistance.